Hey guys, I'm Abel back again with another video. This time it is about this augmented reality. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys how you can use AR Core via Google's Play services on the devices that support AR Core. There are certain devices that support AR Core, so I have given the link in the description so that you can check whether your device supports AR Core or not. Now I have this 8.1. In this video I'm going to use this device to show you how you can use certain AR supported apps on your device, and I'll also share with you how you can create this 3D tiger or other animals that people are talking these days. So before we start, if you're new to my channel, then do hit the subscribe button to watch more videos, and if you have already subscribed, a big thank you to all of you guys. So let's get started. So if your device comes with AR support, then what you have to do, simply go to Play Store and install these services, Google Play services for AR. After this, you're ready to use the AR powered apps on your device. First of all, let me show you the 3D tiger that people are showing these days. What you have to do, simply go to Google search and type tiger here, and then you will see this option here, view in 3D. What you have to do, simply tap here and you will get the 3D tiger on your screen. Here you can check this. Okay, what you have to do now, view in your space, tap here. Okay, and then you have to do one thing. You just have to adjust the surface to select the surface. Here you can see that the tiger has arrived. Okay, here you can see. Okay, and you can hear the roaring as well. Okay, so if you want to click a photo with it, just sit next to it and ask someone to click the photo. What you can do, you can also record the screen using any particular screen recorder also. So this can be used and you can play with it if you like it. Okay, so this is something interesting that they have added. Now what you can do, let me talk about other apps now. The interesting thing is that using this AR feature, what you can do, you can add AR stickers and other emojis on photos using Gcam. Let me show you that. So if you have installed the AR services, what you can do, by installing Gcam, you can go to more options here, and then you will find this playground. There you will have this AR sticker plus other emojis that you can use in your images. Let me show you that. Yeah, here this is what you can do. You can type here your message. Okay, something like this. Right, you can tap adjust this. Similarly, you can use other animals, other emojis like this. Let me show you this. Yeah, so this is also something that is interesting. You can try these, but you can add these things only if your device supports AR. Okay, otherwise you can't. I'll be giving all the links in the description so that you can download and you can use. Now let's talk about some other apps that you can use. The first app that you can try, it is Aruler. This can be used to measure any surface, any particular thing, the width and height. You can do it using this Aruler, and it is really accurate according to me. As you can see here, this is how you can use it. And yes, it is free, but ads will be there, so you have to bear with it. Suppose if I want to check the height of this tile, how you can do it. Let me show you this Aruler. Now if you are someone who is familiar with floor plannings, then you can use the planning as well from this app. Okay, what you have to do, simply point the camera on the object, okay, and check the surface here. Okay, once you see the linings on the surface, you can point it out. So it takes a while to detect the planes here. You have to adjust the distance as well. Yeah, so once you see the lines on the surface, what you have to do, tap like this. Okay, and after that, what you can do, simply tap on it and adjust the surface like this and move upward. Okay, like this. Now the height is 59 centimeter, almost 60 centimeter. So this is how you can use this. Okay, and you can also use the app to measure width. The overall measurement can be done. But yes, you have to get used to it. Even I'm learning this, but it is really useful if you don't have the physical tab with you. The next app is related to language learning. This is called Mondly AR. You can use this to have a kind of interactive way of learning a language. You can select the language that you want to learn and the language that you know, and you can start here like this, and this will take you to the AR based teaching, and it is really interactive and it helps really. Okay, let me show you this. You just have to do it like this. Select the surface where you want to get your AR assistant here. Yeah, this is done. Now you can see this. This is the AR assistant that has arrived. Okay, and you can place it here like this. Yeah.
Hello, human. Welcome to the Mondly AR experience.
Okay.
I'm here to help you learn a new language in a fun and interactive way. This is a new technology that combines voice and object recognition with augmented reality.
Okay.
The technology which allows me to be part of your world by blending your real world with my virtual one. Let's learn about animals. First, I'll show you the king of the jungle. That's right. This is a lion. In German, to say a lion, you say
And live there. Okay, so don't you think that it is really interesting to learn this way? And if you like to learn language in this way, then you can download this app and try this. Yes, it takes time to load and continue with the things, but yes, it is really interactive and you can try this one. The next one is called Inkhunter. Okay, if you are someone who likes to have tattoos and experiment different tattoos on your body, then this app is for you guys, because sometimes it happens that you have a tattoo and eventually you don't like it, but you can get a preview using this app. How to do it? Simply select the tattoo that you want to have. Suppose this is the one, and you can try on your skin how does it look. Okay, let me show you that. And you have to enable this AR here. Okay, like this. So you can see that you have the preview how this tattoo will look on your skin, on that part of your body. So you can use this as well, and you have different filters, so you can actually see the actual image accordingly. Okay, so this is also really I can say that something that you can try, okay, if you like. So these are the apps which are AR based, and you can give a try to these, and if you like them, then do let me know in the comment section, and the links are available in the description. So do let me know what do you think about this, and I'll try to find out more apps, AR based apps, which are actually useful, so that we can use them to enhance our knowledge and our productivity, right? So we'll try to get them. Okay, so till the next video guys, cheers and take care.